Or no?
That dog not coming to get you. Ryan, don't do no crying. No. He is the little brother Biddums. Ryan, don't do no crying. No. He is the little brother of Biddums. Do you be crying? Yes or no? I'm sorry, you scare easy. Ryan, did you just roll your eyes at me? Okay, y'all, never mind all the baby stuff I got here. Got like 4 baby chairs, 2 swings, 2 chairs, 2 car seats. Don't mind that, y'all. I don't want to move this tree because this is my tree that I had that, you know, she don't want to stay alive. Anywho, I've rigged her. Despite that, I have, it's heavy. I do have a new baby, but I wanted her white. But we're going to deal with this being green. So I came in here today to tell you guys of my video I did last year or the year before. But I remember redoing it last year while here in Chicago. A little bit off subject. So y'all, these are those little dinner mints, right? Oh my gosh. Eat about 3 of these and eat 1 of these. Oh my gosh, y'all. So good. So good. I'm gonna grab me some more. Then I'm gonna open up this. So good. They both at Dollar Tree. So good. I bought this Malibu for Thanksgiving, but we never opened it. I forgot why I bought this, but I bought 2 of these to have here for decoration. And when I went to Wisconsin Dells, I bought one just to drink at the baby's party. Y'all, I got sick as a dog. I don't know what happened. My daughter had to finish drinking that. My whole body got tight. My stomach balled up in real tight knot. I thought I was dying. I had to literally go drink a whole 16-ounce bottle of water and wait 30 minutes for the pain to stop. Guess what my dumb butt did? Decided the next day, oh, that was just a fluke. I didn't eat much. Let me try it again. That's this peach Andre champagne. So the next day in Wisconsin Dells, I said, I don't want to be sober here. Let me, you know, keep my hype down because I'm naturally hyper. Y'all, I tried to drink this again. The same thing happened. So, this here for decoration. I gave my daughter one for her little Thanksgiving party. And this was just going to be for decoration, so I figure out what's wrong. These 2 candies together are so good. Anywho, we're here for this white tree. You know, back in the day, Dollar Tree had these trees, and they came right here to my waist. And they were $1. I promise y'all they were $1. I remember getting a green one, a white one, and I even got my granddaughter a pink one. About 5 years ago. They were at Dollar Tree. And then Dollar Tree downsized to these itty bitty things. They come in only white and green now. But you can find those Waitland trees at Five Below, Family Dollar, Dollar General, if so. But these are the ones that were at Dollar Tree. So I bought 10 of these in white. They only come in green and white. So I bought 10 of these to fill in those dense spaces that's in the tree. Don't it look like some invisible man is up in here hiding? Because that's how big that empty spot is. And the tree was $100. How? Where they do that at? This tree better be worth its $108 plus tax. 110, 109 some dollars. No, 118, 120 some dollars with tax. But this shouldn't have been $100. But I guess, okay. So you go to Dollar Tree and you buy as many as you like to fill in your little gaps before putting your decorations on. So this is what I did to fill in the empty spots in my Christmas tree. I know I did this last year. I think I filmed it. And I put it on the YouTube, the YT. So you fluff up your little branches. Get them where you want them to go. And then we're just going to place it in the dense spots. Well, the spots that look so empty. And the bigger tree, curved out one. The top one that they think is supposed to give you extra inches. Anywho, get her right. And let's find a place for her in the tree. Not only that, I took that roll of tulle and placed it all around the tree just so these little babies can have something to grip on. Otherwise, if you don't have the tulle and you've already decorated your tree, the stuff that's decorated, that's like the balls and the ribbons and everything that's already on the tree, will help hold these into place. But I put something in it to hold these in place. So let's just stuff her in to fill up a gap. So the tulle's in here. I'm gonna just twirl this around on the tulle. And there you have it, you guys. She's in the tree. There. Now, I'm gonna bring you guys closer. And we're gonna fill in the rest of this tree. Okay, you guys, see those sparse spots? See the tulle I have in the tree? We have at least 3 of the branches in. Of course, you kind of can tell the colors. This is the regular tree, and this is the Dollar Tree tree, small tree, because it's like whiter. And I bought 10 of these, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the floor, possibly 5, and there's 2 more here, so that's 7, which means I have 3 in the tree. So now we're gonna take the rest of these, because it took all 10. Trust me, it took all 10 to get the design that I wanted, the fullness that I wanted for this $100 tree. Y'all, the prices are getting outrageous. So let me say something. You know that saying, you get what you pay for? You get what you paid for, you get what you pay for. Y'all wore the shit out of that. And now, that saying means you're going to get less, because if you paid $1 for something, that means it ain't worth shit. It shouldn't be worth shit, so it was only $1. Y'all used that shit till the wheels fell off, and now it actually means what it means. Let's say I went to a garage sale And this lady had this $1,000 painting on the wall. Beautifully constructed, beautiful colors, vibrant colors, very bold, gorgeous. And she paid $1,000 for it. She kept it up very well. Well, she died. Her children didn't know the value of it. I'm just saying $1,000. Back in the day, it was a lot of money. Now $1,000 is like $100. But I'm just saying. So they put the painting up for like $5. I immediately knew its value, so I grabbed it. And throughout the years that this woman has been living, let's say she lived to be 99 years old. And now the painting is worth $10 million. Let's just say the painting is worth $10 million. I got it for $5. Does that saying fit in this scenario? You get what you pay for. Come on, y'all. So now we have to pay big bucks for shit we really want. Because some of the stuff that be at the Dollar Tree actually don't be worth $1. They just want you to get to buy it, and then they're going to snatch it back up out the Dollar Tree because you feel you need to have it, so you're going to pay the regular price for it. The saying, did it fit there? And another one, let's say another one. Well, I'm just going to leave it at those two. People. Y'all mouths. Y'all just say the first thing that rolls off the tongue. Even if it sounds so good rolling off the tongue, you're going to go and stick with it. But let it be something you really, really like. You're going to lie about the price. Why? Because black people value themselves as how much they pay for crap. Instead of like, it's a pandemic right now and China says go buy food because they're not going to be sending their food out or whatever. So y'all just figured like, I'm going to buy me some Jordans instead of stocking up canned goods. Because we may not have food for the latter of the winter months. Come on now. I know I'm all over the place, but I just want y'all to think about what rolls off the tongue because it sounds so good saying it. And it really don't be fitting. And then after so long, you be like, damn, I remember when this was $1. I remember when trees were $25. This was $100 tree. And it has so much space in it. I'll have to let you guys know how this tree turns out. But let's finish putting this tree together. So sorry about my rant, but y'all do the most. So let's take these trees and fill in these spaces. You see how that's coming along? Tommy, cut that off. Let me get the pen off the floor. Y'all see how I'm filling up those spots? I'm taking the bottom part of it and I'm wrapping it around the tulle. Just wrap, twirl, twirl, and fix the branches. You see that? Y'all see that? I'm gonna take y'all close. It's filling in the spaces. So we're gonna fix the tree. And that's just how I'm gonna fill in that space right there. And this is how you can fill in those holes when you want your decorations to look uniform and pretty without seeing all those holes in your $100, $200, $300, $500 trees. Because I swear, y'all, we almost bought a $500 tree because every ounce of the space, and it had that nice, beautiful cone shape that slendered at the top and came out like a ballerina dress to the bottom. It was gorgeous. But I'm like, I'm not spending $500 on no damn tree. That's $200, $300 right there. 3 trees. Anyhow, let me do this because I know I'm wasting y'all time. Noony. Twirl you. Okay, y'all. Sorry about the little butt thing, but there she is. You're not gonna see this, Tule. Oh, was that the mail person? I wonder if I got packages. Anywho, and that's how you fill in a tree with Dollar Tree trees to your $100, $200, $300 tree that you pay so much money for and had all that goddamn space. Sorry, y'all. I don't know what y'all was looking at, but there you have it. Bye, y'all.